Good morning and Jai Hind to all students. Welcome to Saraswati Sisupun Jogwala Borsad English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. And today we are going to learn chapter number 15, Fun with Clay. Students, we already learned one video, and in that videos we learn about one story of Kothimbu. In that story, Kothimbu said, "If you want to eat me, you have to wash your beak." Kothimbu is telling to the crow. And for eating the Kothimbu, crow completed his all tasks for washing its beak. First of all, crow went to the well and he asking about water. Well, give me water. I want to wash my beak. Okay, then well said you have to bring pot for filling water. So if you want to fill water, you have to bring pot, and that's why crow reached to the potter's house. Potter was also telling that if you want to make pot, you have to give me clay. Then after I will make pot. So students, we learned that story. Here we are starting fun with clay. Here we are doing some activities in that we will make some utensils out of clay. How we can make different kind of utensils with the help of clay. So we will do one activity. In that activity we will learn how to make bowl out of clay. Okay, so we will do it. First of all, first listen to me what we have to do. First of all, take some clay which are very clayey. You require black soil for making utensils, or you need sticky soil. For making any utensils from clay, we need clay soil. There are different kinds of soil, but we need clay soil. You can find such kind of nearby river or nearby pond. You can take such kind of clay, and from that clay, first of all, we have to knead it. Like your mother is making chapati, at that time she is kneading dough, kneading flour. Okay, in that way you have to knead that clay. Knead means, as I am showing you here. First of all, you have to take sticky soil or clay soil. Here I haven't real soil, I have clay for making different kind of toys from the soil. So I have such kind of clay. You have to knead it with the help of your hands. You have to knead it like this way. While your mother is making chapati, she is making dough of flour. In that way you have to knead that clay and make it soft. Okay, afterwards what you have to do, you have to make its roll, its complete roll, like I am making it here. Okay, after making complete roll, or after making complete dough of a clay, with the help of your finger, make deep pit inside it, so it will be look like this. Then after you have to give complete shape. Then you have to give complete shape like this with the help of your fingers and thumb, and you can make such kind of wonderful pot. Okay, you can make such kind of wonderful pot out of clay. You can make big also, you can make small also, as you require. You can make such kind of pot. Then you have to keep such kind of pot in light of sun, in the sun rays. You have to put it for dry. Okay, so I am also putting this pot in light of sun, in the rays of sun, so it will be dry. Let's I am putting it. So students, here we learn how to make pot. First of all, what we have to do, we have to bring clay soil. Then we have to knead it with the help of our hands. Okay, then after make it soft and make big or small dough of it with the help of your thumb. You have to make deep pit inside it, and afterwards you have to give proper shape. You have to give proper shape like this. So with the help of our hands, we can make such kind of wonderful pot. You can see here. Okay, so you can make like this. Now on page number 13, we have another task. Here you can see, here it is given a bowl from roll of clay. A bowl from roll of clay. How to make? See it. Let's first of all we will read the method how to make bowl from a roll of clay. Knead some clay with the water. Keep aside some clay mixed with water. This will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. This will be the base of the bowl. Roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. Fix the snake shape like clay on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Students, here from that instruction we can make another kind of pot. We will do it. First, it is said that we have to take some clay soil. Then after we have to mix some water within it. You have to take out some clay for making glue. It will work as a glue. And from the remaining part, you have to make roll of chapati. Okay, and that roll we have to use as a base of bowl. Then from the remaining clay we have to make roll like a snake. Then we have to fix it on the base of a roll. So we will do such kind of activity. Okay, here I haven't any clay, but it is a clay of toys, same whichever we perform in first activity. So with the help of water we have to mix some water in clay, then we have to mix it. Okay, so I am also mixing water with clay. I haven't water, it is clay soil, so I am using that clay for making base of a roll. I am kneading dough from the clay with the help of water, and I made roll like chapati. Okay, I made roll like chapati. Okay, you can see I made one roll like a chapati, and this roll I use as a base of bowl. I use this roll as a base of bowl. Now I am making some roll from the clay. Now I have another clay and I am making roll for making bowl. Fix such kind of roll on the border of base. I am making it here. Okay, you have to make such kind of roll from the clay only, and take proper amount of water so you can make it properly. Okay, see here I am adding more rolls inside it, so it will look like you have to make small roll and you have to add it with another, and afterwards take another clay for making support as a glue. You have to apply some another clay as a glue. If you will add another clay as a glue, so it will fix with each other and it become very strong. Give proper shape. Okay, add some amount of water outside it. Here I am not using water because it is already clay for toys, making toys, but you have to make it from real clay. See, such kind of bowl you can prepare at your home from the clay. Okay, so we discuss again how we make it. First of all, we make base of a bowl from clay, and remaining rolls we made from clay soil, and you have to make rolls like a snake, and afterwards you have to fix it on the outside area of the base. Then you can make such kind of wonderful bowl. Students, here which step we follow? First of all, we take some clay soil, then after we make it small, then we add some water inside it, then we knead the dough of clay, then we make small dough of clay, then we make as a base. We make one chapati or one roll as a base. Then from remaining clay we make roll like a snake, and afterwards we fix all the roll of clay outside of the base. Then we make such kind of bowl out of clay. Okay, you can also make such kind of different bowl from out of clay. Okay, so I hope you will make at your home also. So we will see another exercise also, another activity also. Now in the third activity, think and tell a pot from a chapati of clay. A pot from a chapati of clay. Look at the picture and make a pot. What will help if you store water in this pot overnight? In third activity, what we have to do? You can read from your textbook what it is written. Yes, first of all we have to make roll like a chapati. Okay, so out of clay I am taking small amount of clay and I am making small chapati for base of a bowl. So here you can see I make small chapati from clay and I use that as a base of a pot. You can see it is very wet, so it is sticking on my hand also. Yes, I make one chapati, small chapati. Afterwards you have to take another dough of clay, and with the help of plane surface you have to make rectangular shape and rectangular roll of a clay like this. Here I made like this. Okay, so very first we already make base of a pot or base of a bowl. Now you have to fix that roll like this. Okay, afterwards you have to fix it in proper way, and from the remaining clay you have to give proper shape and surface. So I am also making. Okay, so with the help of such kind of base and such kind of roll you can make bowl out of clay. Okay, what here we do, students, you know? Yes, first of all we make dough out of clay, and we with the help of mixing water we make dough of a clay. Then we make some small chapati out of clay. Afterwards we add rectangular roll and we give it proper shape, and afterwards we have to fix it with all the parts, and you can make such kind of wonderful bowl. After making bowl you have to put it in light, means you have to put it in the sun rays for drying it. Okay, if you will put like as it is, it will change its shape. So for drying you have to put it in the sunlight, so it will be dried in a proper shape. Here we make first of all bowl, then this kind of bowl out of rolling strips of a clay, and third one we made from two things. One is a chapati and second one is a rectangular roll of a clay. Okay, so such kind of vessels you can make at your home. Now students, what if we fill water in such kind of vessel and we keep over the night or over the day? What it will happen as it is? No, it will be melt. It will be melt. Slowly water will be mixed with water and your vessels will be melt. But whatever vessels we are using at our homes, they are not melting. Why? You know? Yes, it is baking in a fire. It is baking in a fire. When potters make any kind of vessels, they are baking it. After making utensils, potters killed such kind of utensils in fire. In fire. In Gujarati, we can speak it Sadakti Bhatti. Potters are baking such kind of utensils in kiln, and afterwards they use for selling, and we are using for our use like a drinking water, for storing water, or for storing grains and everything. Okay, so such kind of process is there in making utensils. Okay, many years ago, many years ago, people do not have any kind of pots, and they don't know how to make pots. At that time they are using some stone and some clay, and they are storing water in it. But afterwards they thought, we need some things, we need some vessels to store water or to store cooked food for a next use. Okay, early humans started making pot with the help of stone and clay. They are digging some pit inside the soil, and they are storing their food and water inside it. But afterwards, after the invention of wheels, they started to making pots out of clay, and it is like potters. They put dough of a clay on the wheels, and they move that wheels round and round with the help of stick, and they put dough of a clay in between it, and they give proper shape, and in that way they started making pot. Okay, nowadays also potters are using potters wheels. Nowadays very latest technology, with the help of technology they are making pots and other utensils. It's a very wonderful, less expensive and less time consuming. Okay, so we will see some exercise regarding it. First one is rearrange the step for making a pot and write number from 1 to 7. Okay students, so here some steps are written for making a pot. Rearrange the step for making a pot, write number from 1 to 7. So here some sentences are written, some steps are written, and it is not in proper sequence, but we have to give them proper sequence. Let's see all the steps. Digging clay from the clay pit. Second one is the clay dough. The clay dough is placed on the potter's wheel. Kneading the clay with water. Drying and sieving the clay. Next, drying the pot in the sunlight. Then, decorating the pot with colors. Baking in the kiln. Okay, so such kind of steps are given. So here we have to give proper sequence, we have to rearrange it in proper sequence. So what we should do first for making pot? So we can tell, first of all, first sentence will come first. Digging clay from the clay pit. First of all, we need to dig clay from the clay pit. Then after what to do? After digging the clay, we have to drying and sieving the clay. If the clay have some small stone or some impurities or other things, then we have to remove it first. After drying and sieving the clay, we have to dry the clay, and afterwards, if in the clay there was some stones or other things, then we have to remove it with the sieving. Sieving means charvu, with the help of sieving the clay. Then, so we will write here second number, drying and sieving the clay. Drying and sieving the clay. Then, third number, with the help of mixing water, kneading the clay with water. Kneading the clay with water, like our mothers making dough of a flour for making chapati. In that way, kneading the clay with water. So we will give third number. Okay, then what to do? Yes, the clay dough is placed on the potter's wheels. After making clay dough, it is placed on the potter's wheel. We have to put it on the potter's wheel. So we will give 4 number to it. Then, yes, Drying the pot in the sunlight, and after giving proper shape, we have to remove it from the potter's wheel. Then drying the pot in sunlight, we have to put that vessels in the sunlight for drying it. Okay, so we will give here 5 number: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, sixth number: decorating the pot with the colors or baking in the clean. So first, after drying in the sunlight, we should baking in the kiln. We will fire that vessels in the kiln, so it will become very strong for using. And at last, we should decorate the pot with the colors. At last, we should decorate the pot with the colors. So those are the proper steps to make a pot. Let's see again. First of all, digging the clay from the clay pit, then drying and sieving the clay, kneading the clay with water, then the clay dough is placed on the potter's wheels. Afterwards, after making pot, we will dry the pot in the sunlight, then baking it in the kiln and decorating the pot with color. So those are the steps to making proper pot. Okay, let's see another exercise. Okay, next exercise: draw potter's wheel. Here you have to draw potter's wheel. Students, have you seen potter's wheel? How it is? I am showing you such kind of potter's wheel is there. Okay, now you have to draw here. You have to draw it in your notebook. How you will draw? I am drawing it here. You have to pay attention. First of all, draw proper circle, then another circle around it. Okay, in between, draw another circle, and afterwards okay, you can make such kind of shape. Otherwise, you can also give such kind of shape. Okay, you can draw such kind of potter's wheels, but for moving such kind of wheels, we need one stick. So you can draw such kind of stick. So with it, you can move the wheels round and round. Okay, so I draw here stick and potter's wheel. So it is a potter's wheel. Okay, let's see next exercise. Toto Chan, mana જોઈએ? જપો આવું પછી આવું. नहीं पीछे से पीछे से नहीं ना आपकी नहीं है Okay students, here we are ending our lessons. I hope you learn different kinds of utensils made out of clay, and I hope you will get complete idea about how to make different kind of things or different kind of utensils out of make. Students, one practical homework for you. You have to make 3 kinds of pots like me, whichever I made in video. Such kind of 3 vessels, such kind of 3 pots you have to make at your home. And if you have interest, then you can make different kinds of vegetables, fruits and flowers. Okay, like fruits like mango, apple, banana, grapes you can make out of clay. You can also make like tomato, brinjal from clay. You can also make different kinds of birds like a sparrow, peacock out of clay. Okay, so it's your homework. You have to make at your home, then show me its pic, show me its images, or show me its photographs in your homework. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye. We will meet in next video. Okay, you have to make such kind of different things, vessels. You can also make vegetables, fruits like chili, and all things you can make from clay. So you have to make it and send me its photographs. Okay, thank you. Bye.